What's up, y'all? Man, it's go time. Next Level Student Tour in full effect, man. We've hit so many schools, and today we're gonna be at 2 schools. I'm gonna be at Leadership Preparatory Academy here in DeKalb County, an amazing charter school that's really servicing the hearts and minds of these young kids in the community. And then we're gonna be over at Tucker Middle School, pouring into those kids as well. Both of these schools, we're preparing them for the Georgia Milestone Test. These tests are significant, and I'm about to do my job, and I'm about to show them what it looks like to show up on that next level. Yeah, let's get it. Girlie. Oh man, how you feeling?
I'm good.
Why they ain't tell me you was here? This is my dog, bro. We go back.
This is a great group of kids, man. Like, no real behavior issues outside of the normal, just relationship stuff, socially getting along. Also the support and leadership. Leadership is our innovation. So we're trying to get them all. We're trying to create leaders when they leave this building.
Right.
Going to the community.
These tests come up, when this Georgia Milestone come around, I need for you to show up and show out. I need you showing up every single day locked in. The night before, getting that good rest. You eat the best meal your family can provide. You get that good rest. You put that phone down. You put that tablet down. You tap in. When you wake up in the morning, you have your good breakfast. You whisper your prayer. You come to school and you handle your business, doggone it. Always grateful, never settle. Hear me, my friends. Always grateful, never settle. Always, listen to me, I live by that. This is the opportunity for you to show DeKalb. This is the opportunity for you to show your teachers. This is the opportunity for you to show the administrators here. This is the opportunity for you to show the district and the state how powerful you are, how great you are, how smart you are. This ain't just some regular average school. This is a charter school, doggone it. This is the Leadership Preparatory Academy, doggone it. You show the world how great and powerful you are. When it's time for these tests, I want you to show up, and you show up big.
Did you ever think of quitting?
Man, often. My man asked, did I ever think of quitting? I got you. That's probably one of the most important questions I've been asked. Listen to me, y'all. Life be lifing. Life is not easy. Like, life can be hard. Listen to me. Guess what? Everybody going through something. Public service now, if any of y'all feel like it's only you wrong, I never feel like quitting so many times. But then I had to ask myself, what's on the other side of quitting? What happens if I don't quit? What happens if I keep pushing? How much greater can I be? How much more successful can I be? What else can I accomplish? How many more people can I impact? They got this song that says, hold on, just a little while longer. I promise you, young kings and queens, I just keep fighting and I just keep pushing because it's actually easy to quit. It's harder to keep pushing.
Kiss them babies.
Love, appreciate it. Wait, look, y'all, I just got done at Leadership Preparatory Academy. Now we about to pull up at Tucker Middle School, pouring to these kids. You got hundreds and hundreds of kids that's in the gym ready to hear me speak. I'm about to give them this message. I'm about to pour into them. I'm about to really challenge them to go to the next level, to show up and be the brilliant young kings and queens that they are. Stay tuned. When I look at my life, and I look at all the people over the last 15 years that's worked with our company, when I look at the millions and millions and millions of dollars we generated, when I look at the hundreds of thousands of kids that we feed, you know what I'm saying, in South Africa, when I look at the 60 kids that me and my wife have sponsored in college, I'm like, me? This knucklehead that grew up without his biological father, me? This kid that was dealing with ADHD, me? This kid that was getting arrested over and over again, me? This kid that went to 3 different schools for the 9th grade, me?
So when I tell y'all, beloved, if I can do it, I know you can do it. Because I didn't have the resources you have. I didn't have the technology you have. I didn't have this type of support system you have. I didn't have speakers coming and pouring into me. So when I look across this room, I can only imagine what you're going to accomplish. I can only imagine what you're going to achieve if you believe. And I told you before, this world not going to give you what you deserve. This world going to give you what you work for. When you see where I am, I got here because of my faith and because of the work that I put in. What did I do? I humbled myself. I realized I don't have all the answers. I realized I need help. And I began to look at my teachers. I began to look at the staff. I began to look at the individuals that were showing up on a regular basis and how they was pouring into me. And I said, you know what? That's going to be my clique. That's going to be my crew.
Good, man. What's up, boy? You good?
Yeah, I love your
Yes, sir, man. Appreciate you, man. Thank you for all you do, man. Absolutely.
It's like beautiful.
That's what's up, bro.
Could we have a picture?
Absolutely. Yeah, for sure. You ready?
Do you want to take a picture or you want to do a selfie?
There we go. There you go. Y'all take care. Yep.
Really appreciate it, man.
Man, you already know, bro. You already know, bro.
Jeremy was awesome. The way he speaks to the kids, uncanny. One thing I love that he said was just his love for the kids. You can tell he's got undying love.
The way I saw them locked in, we're preparing for wrapping up the school year. We have our big testing coming up, and I think Jeremy came and said what they needed to hear.
And he has given them next level information for them to succeed in life. You know what, Jeremy? We love you. Thank you for always supporting us here at Tucker Middle School.
You know what it is.
And I love how you love your family. I don't think you understand how that matters. Because see, people see you as Jeremy, but the way that you love your family,
Yeah,
that's next level.
in real life.
Yes.